Easy. Oh, mate. Always. Look at these two amateurs here, not a fucking clue what they're doing. Look at these two amateurs here.
Go in between them.
Not a fucking clue what they're doing.
Getting our spots quick.
Get down. Whoa. Good girl. Okay. Come here. Body. Here. Here. Go here. Lucy. Come here. Hey. Come here. Come here. Oh, you jealous? You jealous? Oh, see there.
This is just for like, this is just in case I'm going to die like the third. I've got another one.
Yeah! Ah! Go on, Paz.
I'm gonna snap that.
No, don't you fucking, don't you dare.
Yeah, you'll not get that one back.
Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Come on, out of my tent now. Come on. Yeah. 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 Get over. What are you doing? Hey, good girl. There. Oh. Easy. Come here.
We're all going on with sand in between toes and up cracks of
Easy. Oh, dear.
I don't like.
Oh.
I don't like beaches for that reason.
I do think I'm going to end up.
Where we go in Spain, we'll tell you about that place in France. They're all pebbly beaches. So your beach is all pebbles, and as soon as you get it washed, it's all sand.
Easy.
So it's like, what the fucking hell's going on here? They must do it on purpose.
Yeah.
But the way it's set now, it's on, you know, 1 and 4. Or something like that. It's something to do with, if it sets up one way, it's overfueling on 1 and 4, and underfueling on 2 and 3, which it...
Luke.
Yeah, but I'll get wet and I'll be freezing, you fucking prick.
Right.
I'm telling you. Fuck off. Right. Oh, I swear to God, Stu. I swear to fucking God you're going to get it. Hey, look at that. Look at that.
What?
1-0.
Another jet. Easy.
Come on,
Come in. I think she wants to play. Oh, leak.
John will be buzzing.
Grilling the bacon.
Stu's taken this black and white picture, or somebody else, I don't know if it was Stu. We kidnapped Ryan from Wales, took him up to fucking Stone for where we had a night on Ireland and that. Stu's got this picture, it's a black and white picture. He's funny. He's started getting himself together. He's grown up. He's the best labourer you'd ever get your hands on.
Pull it up.
He'll grab.
I'm going for a shit.
Hey. Sit down, you. You see? What? Sit down. Susie, here you go. What this going here? Hey.
Oh, fucking smoking pile out of here now.
Better get inside there. Jeez. It's wet as well, isn't it? Hopefully you don't get wet. Let's move the food. Oh, Donnie's over there. Rough in Norway here. Oh, brilliant. Okay. Walls are wet. Come on, Chris. Hello, baby. Hey. Hello. Try going in a whitewater rapid when there's fucking 12 foot. It's a buzz. Yeah, go there, yeah, swing it round. You're coming as well. Hey, Pandero. We're getting some nice peaches out of that one. Oh, it's got a good body to it. Oh,
I'll be curious to see, Stu.
pizzas. Try it.
Well,
All right, Stu.
we're on sail and we're setting off.
I didn't know you had one for yourself.
Oh, want it?
Alright.
Fucking hard work. Ready? Are you ready to go home? It's a bit grim. Oh dear. This is we're gonna be sketchy. Let's go, girl. It's gonna be a windy one. Say bye. Say bye. Yep. Got that on film as well. That was a tranny.